Thank you and welcome to the show this morning. The topic this morning is From Schools to Prisons, Breaking the Pipeline, Part 2. And we're fortunate to have with us to talk about From Schools to Prisons, Breaking the Pipeline, Ms. Rashida Fatuga and Ms. Sharice Hughes and Pastor Kay Walker. Let me welcome all three of you to the show this morning, Ms. Fatuga, and to tell you how delighted we are to have all three of you with us this morning to talk about a topic that I believe to be very, very important, and I'm sure that you also, excuse me, believe it to be very, very important, Ms. Fatuga, because you've been involved with this problem for quite a while.
Yes.
Why don't let us start off, Ms. Fatuga, by having you to give us some information about your background, your education, and some of your experiences, and Ms. Hughes will be able to give us similar kind of information, and Pastor Walker will be able to wind us down for this first six-minute segment, and then we'll get into doing the second segment, the issues dealing with from schools to prisons, breaking the pipeline, and et cetera. Why don't you start us off, Ms. Fatuga?
Okay, well, thank you first for having us on the show this morning. My name is Rashida Fatuga, and I am the founder of Gideon's Army, Grassroots Army for Children. We are a grassroots organization that focuses on dismantling the prison pipeline. Grassroots meaning that we are people who are affected by this issue, who are advocating for change. I graduated from Vanderbilt University, Peabody College. My major is elementary education and child development. And I love Nashville so much that I decided to stay and really just give back to this city because I was given so much as a student in college. And so I stayed and became a school teacher at Metro Public Schools for 7 years. And then I left the school system and just started to really do a lot of research to understand a lot of the issues that I saw our kids having once they got out of elementary school and into middle school and high school. And I came to understand that there was a systemic issue that really needed to be addressed. Very
good. Now, Ms. Hughes, what about you? Give us some information about your background, your education, and in a real sense, how you got to where we are now.
Okay, well, my name is Ms. Sherika Hughes, and I'm part of Gideon's Army nonprofit program, and I deal with mostly the teens, and I do little events called Peace Project. So every month we just come up with something to do, team-based, everything run by teams. I am a senior in high school this year. I'm getting ready to graduate, and pretty much everything I do is Gideon's Army.
And so this is your last year in high school, and what are you planning on